Hello everyone. Today I will share most repeated synonyms. First one is calm. The meaning of calm in Hindi is shant. So the synonyms of calm are peace or quiet or relaxed. Next one, chide. Chide means to scold someone or rebuke. The meaning of chide in Hindi is किसी को डांटना. For example, she chided him for not receiving calls. Okay. The next one is luxuriant. Luxuriant means very rich or abundant growth. So the synonym of luxuriant are abundant or flourishing or lush. Okay. Next one is accurate. The synonym of accurate are exact or precise, or we can say that correct. Okay. For example, we can say that abundant is the exact synonym of luxuriant. Okay. Next one, baffle. Baffle means confuse or perplexed. Okay. Next one is reliable. Reliable, the synonym of reliable are stable or dependable. Reliable means what? Whom we can trust. So trustable. Next one is mandatory. Mandatory means compulsory or imperative. Okay. The meaning of mandatory in Hindi is anivarya. Means you have to do the work. Means for example, we can say that pen and pencils are mandatory for the exam. Next one, hurdle. The meaning of hurdle in Hindi is badha. So the synonym is impediment. Or we can say that obstacle. Okay. Next one is erroneous. Erroneous means incorrect or wrong, or we can say that false. We can also say that inaccurate, just the opposite of accurate. See here, opposite of accurate, inaccurate, incorrect, wrong, false. Okay. Next one is achieve. Achieve means किसी चीज को हासिल करना. So the synonym of achieves are accomplish or success. Okay. Thank you.